Alright, welcome guys to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, guys, please subscribe because of I'm bringing more information on how to make money, guys. So today, guys, I just wanted to let you know, I'm actually telling you this. If you want to make money, if you really want to make money online, guys, I found this free training here. It's a free 100% free training here. As you see, this is a 100% free training here. You can start on your free training and start making money. You see what it teaches you here, how to make a 6-figure side income online. So if you really want to make money, guys, please go down on my description. There's a link down on this description to this free training. I'm not selling anything to you. You can go through this free training and start making money, guys. This is how you can make money online. I've never seen something good like this online. So guys, if you feel like I'm giving you something that you like, if you feel like I'm showing you something with value, please just hit that subscribe button, like my video, and I'll always make sure that I bring something great. I always make sure that I bring something great to you. So those of you who didn't know what affiliate marketing is, you can start on your free training and learn how to make money from today. Cheers, guys. Thank you for listening.